Why, hello there. Down there in the deep, deep dungeon of the Lamarosa. Thought I'd put together a little slideshow video of what's been going on with Tanglefoot, being I ain't got a whole lot of video of it or what have you. If some people's asked about it, so why not have a gander at her? I think I set them for about 6-7 seconds a picture, just show you. I wish I had better pictures of the beforeness of it. The car was pretty dang rusty. Really rusty. Most people said don't even fool with it. It was junk, garbage. If I knew a damn fine fabricator who said it wasn't that bad, he could fix it. So I sent it up to him, and he initially thought he bit off more than he could chew. But he said he wasn't going to let it whoop him, so he stayed on it and did what he done to her, by golly, and it's almost ready to come back home. Getting real close. But have a gander, enjoy it, ain't but a few minutes, and hit that like button up there and the thumbs up and share it to somebody or something if they're into this sort of stuff. It's a 64 Chevy 2. I guess it was a Super Sport. I ain't positive. It's got Super Sport trunk and the glove box emblem. Hard top. It's got 400 small blocks going to be going in it. The little engine that's in one of the pictures there was just one of them plastic mock-up jobbers. Fender well headers I picked up at a swap meet up in Bowling Green. I think I gave $2 or $2.50 for them, I think, which was, considering I couldn't find any, I thought pretty dang good deal. So far, it's looking like it's going to be getting a Chrysler 8 3/4 rear end, thanks to a good buddy Tall John. But that's the way she's looking so far. But have a gander at her. See if you like what's going on. Comment on her, whatever you want to do. And as always, like and subscribe. Swell.